up with this because he'll grab onto it. Ready? Go.
Oh, can you get it? He's got it. Yeah. He's gonna howl again.